Here's Billy and Beverly. There's our new beachfront land here. Check it out. We got the creek flowing. Got the beaches over here. Got a couple of paros. What do you think, Paro?
Bill, time run. How do you know?
Yeah, this job's been completed for what? 3 days?
2 days.
2
yeah,
days.
2 days.
And we're giving it a little test.
Out here, some nice things out here this morning. Of course, it's probably long gone.
Yeah, it looks cool from down there. It's not easy to get there. Look right down there on that where you were burning, you know, you see
Yeah.
that tough bank. They could use that bank. And that's that island right there.
Just the noise of the water.
Great.
That's mesmerizing, man.
Colorado Rocky Mountain Stream.
That's right.
Almost.
It's only at Central Texas Brown.
Yeah. Not bad.
It's waterfront property right now.
Yeah, waterfront.
Yeehaw! Go get the kayak.